Hello fellow grower, I'm back again and welcome to my channel, The Late Grower. About 2 weeks ago, I made a video on how I fertilize my plants in container. And since it's been 2 weeks, it's time to fertilize again my plants. And this time I'd like to share with you another method of fertilizing your seedlings in particular. You're looking now at my pepper seedlings. So if you remember watching the video 2 weeks ago about how I fertilize my plants, you'll notice that they were really small at that time, and after 2 weeks they've grown a lot. So 2 weeks have passed. Now I need to fertilize them again, and as I said, I'm going to show you another method that I use in fertilizing my plants. Now this time I will fertilize them from the bottom. So this is what they call bottom feeding. I have this tray where I put my seedlings like this. Okay. Okay. So this is just to show you how I do it. And I also have here the synthetic fertilizer that I use. Okay. In this case, I will put just a few granules in this 1 liter of water. Okay. So just this much. Not too much actually. They're still very young. And the good thing about this fertilizer is that it is water soluble. So you just have to stir thoroughly. In this case, I'm using a stick, what we call a barbecue stick or a banana cue stick. So if you look now, you won't see any of the granules. So maybe just small left over, but that is okay. Okay. And then in this case, I will pour 1/3 of this, the contents of this bottle. And let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. Okay. Now, in this case, the water, including the fertilizer, will be absorbed by the plants from the bottom. And one good thing about bottom feeding is that we can encourage the roots to go down the cup. Okay, that is one advantage of bottom feeding. And also, the soil is not choked in terms of the volume of water because it will slowly absorb the water from below going up. Okay, so that is one advantage of bottom feeding. We can encourage the roots to go down and also to form better, stronger root system. If we just fertilize on top, there is a tendency for the roots to stay on the upper portion of the cup, and that is not a good thing. We have to encourage the roots to spread. Sorry for the noise. We have to encourage the roots to spread down, and that is why I bottom feed my plants. In this particular instance, my pepper seedlings. Okay. Now, one other style of bottom feeding that some growers are doing is the double cup method. Now, what is a double cup method? This method will require you to use another cup. In this case, we will pour some of the dissolved fertilizer in this cup. Can be that much only, about half an inch. And then we will put one of the cups here. Now, this is what others call double cup method. Okay, as you can see, you can clearly see that the soil is slowly absorbing the water. from below. Okay. Now, in my case, after about 30 minutes, I remove the cup from the water because I don't want the roots to be submerged in water for too long, which can contribute to root rot. Okay, but those who are doing the double cup method, uh, particularly those with the hydroponic solution, they can allow, or you can allow your roots to stay submerged in water, because if you're using hydroponic solution, that would be fine. You can also bottom feed the tomato seedlings as long as they have this set of true leaves already. Actually, any kinds of seedlings, as long as they have their true leaves and growing in a container or in seedling trays, can be bottom fed. Okay, incidentally, I'd like to share with you my new batch of peppers. I'm trying to germinate new batch of peppers right now, and I have here the Saraga Scotch Bonnet, Wartrix, Caraman, Jalapeno, four kinds of peppers, and I started germinating them October 9. So these peppers will be the subject of succeeding videos in the very near future. So I hope to see you then. Okay? So thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.